Welcome to automatic buying and selling, the core of Cryptohopper. Trading with signals is particularly suitable for novice traders. In this video, we'll explain how you can follow the signals of an experienced trader. Keep in mind that the exchange you're connected to and the quote currency you will use will influence which signaler you want to follow. There is no one-size-fits-all signal. As you can see, we linked our hopper to our Binance account, and we're trading with USDT. We are now going to the marketplace, and we are looking for a signaler that sends signals for Binance and for USDT. This signaler is free. We can see in this report that the signaler sends signals for Binance and for hoppers who have set a USDT as their quote currency. But is this signaler good? Let's look at the statistics to find out if this signaler is good or not. You can also look at reviews, but they ultimately say less than the data. For this example, we selected this signaler because it is free. We recommend that you investigate which signaler performs well, and don't base your decision just on whether or not it's free. Click on the subscribe button. Now we're following the signals of the signaler. But will your hopper now automatically buy everything this signaler says? No, it's up to you to configure. In your configuration, you determine which coins your hopper can buy. Select coins that you know are good, or select coins for which your signaler often sends signals. Take a good look at your signaler's reports to find this information. Users with a hero subscription have the option to select all coins, so they don't have to think about it. You can also configure your signaler, which you can do here. Do you want to follow the sale signals? This may be easy, but it can also cause greater losses. A simple way to mitigate your risk is to set a take profit and decide if you want a stop loss. A stop loss can be scary, but can actually be decisive in the success of your trading. We call this risk management, and it's vital with trading. That's it, you're done. You have set up your first real automatic trading bot.